First tonight, that big story still unfolding. The plot to kidnap the governor, now leading to more fallout. Good evening to you. I'm Dave Llewellyn.
And I'm Carolyn Clifford. The plot now leading to campaign stop changes for the president's son. The Trump campaign moving Eric Trump's scheduled visit to a gun shop in New Hudson. The shop, Huron Valley Guns, posting this on social media, saying the move was because one of the 13 suspects charged worked there in February.
And other big developments ahead in court. Daniel Harris, Caleb Franks, Brandon Caserta, and Adam Fox will face a federal judge tomorrow. And on Wednesday, Michael Null, William Null, Pete Musico, and Joseph Morrison will be in court.
7 Action News reporter Brett KAST breaks down where the case stands and where the suspects are right now.
This week we'll see a number of these defendants appear in front of a judge, but it may be months or even years until we see them in front of a jury. As the plot to kidnap the governor makes international headlines, those accused in the plot are set to appear in court.
Cases are decided in the courtroom, not in the newspaper or on television.
Attorney Michael RATAJ specializes in federal cases, representing Bobby Ferguson in the Kwame trial and recently the Hutaree militia. Both cases, like the kidnapping plot, receiving national media attention.
Whenever you have a high publicity case and you have defendants that appear to be guilty from what's reported in the press, it makes a defense lawyer's job much more difficult, to be sure.
On Tuesday, Ty Garbin, Daniel Harris, Caleb Franks, Brandon Caserta, and Adam Fox are due in federal court in Grand Rapids. RATAJ says these hearings are just procedural and a trial will take time.
I can tell you, based on past experiences in the federal system, a case of this magnitude, you could be looking at a trial a good year and a half, 2 years down the road.
7 others face state charges. Eric Molitor and brothers Michael and William Null will first appear Wednesday for a probable cause hearing. Then will join Sean Fix for preliminary hearings on the 28th in northern Michigan. Meanwhile, Joe Morrison and Peter Musico, the alleged founders of the Wolverine Watchmen, will have their conferences Friday and preliminary hearings on the 21st in Jackson.
You're looking at a trial in that case well over a year from now, if I had to guess.
In 2012, RATAJ had all the charges against the Hutaree militia dropped, but says comparing these two cases is apples to oranges.
These individuals are not charged with sedition. I think that the way that these people have been charged, I think the government learned a little bit from the Hutaree case.
No court date has been set yet for Paul Beller or Barry Croft, as they are currently being extradited back here to Michigan. And according to RATAJ, depending on how high these bond amounts are, it's likely that all these suspects will remain behind bars until a verdict is reached. Reporting here downtown, I'm Brett KAST, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Brett.